So hi everyone, I am Kayyum, and in this video we will going to see that we will going to learn that how to use regular expression in Linux machine. Okay, so regular expression including we want to search for any type of word, digits, special characters. So these are all includes in the regular expressions. Okay, so for example we will take an example of HTTPS, then google.com. So this is a code. This is a sentence in which we want to search for uh, like uh, alphabets, hmm, alphabets of size, for example 3 4 5. Okay, of size 5. For this we will gonna use this. Okay, so here you can see that we have successfully searched for the code we want. So this is how we can use the regular expression. This is it will start with the alphabet class. This uh, character class alphabets used for alphabets, then escape character. Then in this we want to search for only 5 characters. Okay, so the word which is only having a length of 5, that's what we want to search in this entire line. Okay, so for that I am using this. For this I am using this will search for 5 digit word, 5 digit word. Okay, so in this way we can use it regular expressions. Now again, for example we want to search for this. Okay, this double backward slash. Okay, for only for backward slash, for that we will use escape character, then first backslash, then escape character, then second backslash. Okay, so in this way we can search for this special character also. First of all we need to include escape character, then the special character, again the escape character, then the special character. So in this way, for example let me show you. So here again we will going to search for escape character. Okay, first backslash is completed, then escape character, again second backslash, then escape character, then third backslash, then escape character, then fourth backslash, then escape character. So here in this way we can search for the special character. Okay, so let me show you that. One special character, we need two escape character. Okay, like for searching we will gonna use this. Okay, so in this way we will gonna use it. Okay, now again let me show you. Now grep escape character first, then escape character second, then escape character third. So yeah, in this way we can search for it. Okay, so this is how we can search for a special character using the alphanumerical. Okay, now again let me show you. So this is how